guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're brand new, please hit that like, subscribe. Guys, today we are on a BMW meet slash cruise. Right now we're cruising to an event called, I think it's like a Euro meet or something here in Kansas. We'll see how it is. I'm gonna put you guys in a GoPro probably the whole way there just because I'm gonna try to get clips. And oh, there's also a lot of E92s, E9X, M3s. There is a lot, like I said, a lot of E90 M3s. We have this sick, I don't know if you guys can see it, but we have this, hold on, I can show you guys. We have like this E36. This is crazy. Yeah, guys, I've been meeting for a while. I just, it's not a lot of me time, like in Kansas. Not a lot of motivation. I'm gonna need oil by the end of today. Yeah, like I was saying, I've been Mia for a while. Because there's not a lot of meats out here. There's nothing. And there is a meat, it's just a bunch of fucking kids, you know, just swinging and everything. And it's like, bro, really, bro? BMW here. Holy shit. Very good. All right. We made it to the meet. Walk around, see what kind of cars are around here. I mean, start off, we got an i8. We had a sick F80. This thing is sick. He's on bags and shit. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Man, only carbon fiber steering wheel and everything. God damn, bro. I need to do shit in my car. My shit's all stock. What, another BMW? I think it's like a 335i maybe. Let's check. I can't tell. We'll see what else we can find. Pretty dope cars around here. We got another E92 M3 over here. I think it has exhaust. Stock exhaust. I love the color though. Color's nice. The wheels, I need those wheels. I need those fucking wheels. A bunch of Porsches, a bunch of Volkswagens, Audis, which is literally like a German meet. Walk around and see what kind of Porsches we got. First, I want to show you the BMW because, you know, I'm a BMW fan. There's M2 right here. Another M2. I don't really like these. These are, in my opinion, the ugliest M series cars. They look like 135i's, literally. I mean, it's a manual, I'll give it to him, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know how what you guys feel about these cars. This M3 here is supercharged. This shit is sick as fuck. I need to get this supercharger. And he said he's pushing like 700 to the wheel, I think. I don't know, this shit's sick as fuck. Jeez. I've actually been in one. Not this one though. There's a friend of mine who had a M3 with this exact same supercharger. He actually blew it, but it was pretty fast. I could definitely feel the difference between the stock and the supercharged. His E36 is pretty sick. This thing is like fast as fuck. Look at this shit. Esta madre está bien rápido a la verga. Let me see if I can show you guys the interior real quick. Jeez. Damn, this one knows how to whip it, huh? Dude, this M3 here, E90, I don't know if it's mine. Same color as mine. Yeah, I think it's just a black edition, black color. I don't know. Bro, these M3s right here, I love M3s. You guys don't understand how much I love the M3s. But this one, he's a buddy of mine as well. God damn, look at those wheels, bro. I want these wheels. I told him earlier, I was like, hey, you gonna sell me those wheels or what? He's like, nah, I can't. That shit's sick. Y aquí tenemos otro M3. Literally, guys, this shit's all filled with BMWs. God, what was that? It's got the red interior, Red Fox interior. It's a manual. The wheels, Advans, I think. Yeah, I fuck with them though. This shit's pretty clean. There's a couple R8s here actually. Yeah guys, I'm gonna get some cinematics of the cars. Guys, there's another F80. This shit's nice. 3. Let's see, the DCT or manual? I can't see. Let's see if you can tell. Oh, it's a manual. Sheesh. Oh, yeah, I think it's a competition. Look at those wheels. It's clean. I like the color and everything.